Hi everyone, welcome to Master Handwriting channel. Let us learn how to write the lowercase alphabets from A to Z. Practice the writing in a 4-lined page. Before starting, let us learn the lines. This one is the first red line or the upper red line, the first blue line or the upper blue line, second blue line or the lower blue line, and the second red line or the bottom red line. To write the small letter A, write left C curve between the two blue lines and take a turn and write a standing line on the same line and a small curve. To write small letter B, write standing line from the top red line and take a right C curve to the bottom blue line. To write small letter C, write left C curve between the two blue lines. To write small letter D, write left C curve between the two blue lines and take a turn and draw a standing line from the top red line to the bottom blue line. Small letter E, write a sleeping line below the first blue line and then take a left C curve between the blue lines. To write small f, take a small curve from the top red line and draw a standing line to the bottom blue line and then write a sleeping line in the first blue line. To write small letter G, write left C curve between the blue lines and take a turn and draw a standing line to the bottom red line and take a turn. To write small letter H, write a standing line from the top red line, then take a turn between the two blue lines, a small curve. To write small letter I, write standing line between the two blue lines and a dot at the top. Small letter J, write a standing line from the first blue line and take a turn to the bottom red line and a dot at top. To write small letter K, start from the top red line to the second blue line, a standing line, and then take a left slanting line and a right slanting line between the blue lines. To write small letter L, write standing line from the top red line to the second blue line. Write letter M, take two curves between the two blue lines. To write letter N, write a standing line and take a small turn between the two blue lines. To write letter O, between the two blue lines. To write letter small p, write a standing line from the first blue line to the bottom red line and take a right C curve between the two blue lines. To write small letter q, write left C curve and take a turn and write a standing line to the bottom red line and again take a small turn. To write letters small r, write a standing line between the two blue lines and a small turn. Write letter S, write left C curve and right C curve between the two blue lines. To write small t, write a standing line from the top red line to the bottom blue line and take a turn and a sleeping line in the first blue line. To write small letter U, write standing line from the first blue line to the second blue line and then take a turn and then a small curve between the two blue lines. Write small letter V, a left slanting line and a right slanting line between the two blue lines. To write letter W, a standing line and take a turn, a standing line and take a turn between the two blue lines. To write letter X, write right C curve and left C curve as a loop between the two blue lines. To write letter small y, write a standing line between the two blue lines and then take a turn and a standing line to the bottom red line and a small curve. To write small letter Z, write a sleeping line from the first blue line and a left slanting line and again a sleeping line to the second blue line. I hope this letter formation is very useful for you. Thanks for watching my video.